Morning, everybody. It's Martha. I'm just going to do my little morning tune-up today. If you'd like to join me, find a clear space on the floor and just spread out. Right. We're going to start at a great big letter X on the floor. Like this. Just find your back sinking into the floor. Allow all the muscles of your lower back, middle back, upper back to soften into the surface of the floor. Feel your neck. And just rock your head gently from side to side. Maybe as you turn sideways, you can kind of see what I'm doing. Just settle yourself down. Take a deep breath and exhale. As you breathe in, feel the body expanding into the corners of the room. And as you exhale, bring all of your focus into your navel. Drop it down into the surface of the floor, through your lower back. Let's do that again. Deep breath. Expand to the four corners, and then drop into your navel. We're just going to take the right foot and the right hand over to the left side and open the left side of your body. Relax. And open to your exhale. Take a breath. And exhale, bring the left hand and left leg to the right side. Relax over the left side of your body. And then we'll just do that a little more quickly. Just right to left, left to right, right to left, left to right, right to left, left to right. Just feel all the connective tissue that focuses around your tailbone, softening. Bring your right arm and the right leg to the left, and then bend your elbow and knee, straighten it up. Left to right, bend, straighten it up. Repeat that a few times. Feeling the tailbone loosening, softening. Feel the neck relaxing. And open. We're just going to curl onto our left side. Place your head in your hand, have a hand over your upper arm, and just find a nice comfortable place. Swing your right leg forward, just flex the foot. Swing it behind you and relax. And just swing that a few more times, just opening the hip joint. Feeling nice mobility in the lower back and tailbone. And then we're just going to shift right over, sliding your leg out and just letting that left leg fall over. And stretching the shoulder, the elbow is still folded under you. And relax, and let's try that again. Maybe a little deeper now. And just bring the leg up and circle the foot. And go the other way, opening space in your ankle. And opening some space in your knee, and just opening some space in your hip. Very soft. Just feel the hip joint working. And point and flex the foot. stretch to a half moon shape here. And roll on your stomach. Drop the forehead to the knee. Just right and left legs coming up. Alternately. Relate the hamstrings. And gently bring your elbows to your side. Softly press yourself up. Opening the low back. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. So folding your head onto your elbow, tucking the knees in, left hand over the right upper arm, and just swing the foot in front of you, swing it behind you. Just a few times. Place the foot in front and just slide it out as you rotate in the hip socket. Stretching the scapula as you leave the elbow in front of you. And bring it back a few more. And just bring that leg up, circle the foot open, nice free space in the ankle. And circle the other way. And flex in the point. Open the kneecap. And then just open the hip joint very softly. Gradually getting some energy into that leg, articulating the foot. And flex and point. Oh, just bring it in. Take hold of the knee and just gently lengthen it up towards your shoulder. And come to your half moon shape. And under your stomach. We're just going to leave the arm out, shoulder height, and we're just going to let the leg fall over, lengthening, stretching out the shoulder. We'll do that on the other side. Opening. Shoulder. Let's go ahead and press up again. And bring the hands a little closer. And down a little closer. And drawing the knees up. You want to get on the yoga mat. For this, straighten that up. Slowly let the tailbone find its way toward the ceiling, opening the top of the head toward the ceiling. Squeezing the vertebrae together. Releasing to neutral. Feel the tailbone finding its way toward your knees. Lengthening the space between all of your vertebrae. Dropping the top of the head toward the floor. And softly release down to your heels. Some of you who have not had hip surgery may be able to make a much deeper crease than me. Go all the way to child's pose. Just going to put your elbows on the floor. shoulder to the ceiling. And relax. Take the right to the center of your body, come down to the elbows. Lengthen the leg out, rocking forward and back. And bring it above you. Bend the knee, take the toe, drop the hip, rotate the shoulder, and bring it back. All right, we can sit up in a little triangle shape here. Just settle the hips level, flex your feet, open the arms, and contract under, and point the feet as you unfold, and contract under, and point the feet as you unfold, and take it over, and across it. Over, and across. Now we'll just reverse that. Settle your hips, flex your feet. Open, contract under, and open. Contract under, and open. Bring it over, and contract. Let's just take straight out. And just pump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to get my TheraBand so we can do a little bit of rolling down and rolling up. Bear with me a second. Okay, so all I'm going to do here is just find my flex, bend the knees slightly, just bring the tailbone under you, and back up. Bring the tailbone under you, engaging those lower abdominals, lengthening the lower back. Softening the tissues around your tailbone and activating the muscles. Just go a little deeper each time. As you find that strength, waking up. This is a really sensitive area for me. A very weak lower back. Take the head right and left. Bring the tailbone up toward the ceiling. And softly open hips and hamstrings. And curl tailbone. All right, I'm just gonna get my hips going. Just Exhale sharply. Shoulders up. Exhale sharply. Shoulders up. Exhale. There we go. Thank you for joining me.